Hello everyone! Today's video is a bit different as I'm excited to finally announce my first step-by-step, real-time urban sketching demonstration and tutorial. If you've been wanting to add more textures, layers, and a splash of colour to your sketches, then this video is for you. The video is about an hour long, and in it I walk you through and explain each step of my painting process. I advise on drying time, when to add splashy paint, and when to add pen and detail. I fully understand that stepping out of your comfort zone with watercolour and splashing paint around can be daunting, but also a lot of fun. I'm hoping with this tutorial I can show you just that. Along with the video, there will be some printables, the reference photo I used, my pencil sketch of the building so you can trace over it, and my favourite is this cheat sheet. It's fully formatted, and once printed, all you have to do is fold it here and here. On one page, I've included the 3-stage strategy I use when urban sketching, and in the other sections, I've added the 5 urban sketching tips so you can take this with you when you're out and about sketching. You can find the tutorial on my website, and I've put a link in the description box. I've worked so hard on this for months, and I'm so glad to finally have it available. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.